In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bold text in Gmail. Bold text is a simple way to make keywords, dates, and action items stand out so your message is easier to scan and understand. By the end, you'll know exactly how to apply bold with the toolbar and with quick keyboard shortcuts. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top left corner and click the Compose button. This opens a new message window, usually in the lower right area of the screen. You'll see fields for your recipient and subject at the top, and the main message area where you'll write your email. Go ahead and type your message in the body of the email. When you're ready to emphasize something, highlight the specific word, phrase, or sentence you want to make bold. You can click and drag with your mouse or use your keyboard by holding Shift and tapping the arrow keys to expand the selection precisely. Now, find the formatting controls at the bottom of the Compose window. If you don't see them, click the Formatting Options icon. It looks like a capital A with an underline. This expands the formatting toolbar so you can apply styles. With your text still selected, click the B icon for bold. Instantly, the selected text becomes thicker and more prominent. If you change your mind, just click the B again to turn it off, or press undo to revert your last change. If you prefer speed, use the keyboard shortcut. With the text highlighted, press Ctrl+B on Windows or CMD+B on a Mac. This toggles bold on and off without touching your mouse. A time-saving tip: you can press the shortcut first to start typing in bold and press it again when you're done to return to normal text. It's perfect for quickly emphasizing a heading or a short call-out as you write. A couple of quick pointers for a polished email. Use bold sparingly, so your emphasis actually stands out. Too much bold can feel noisy. Combine bold with clear structure, short paragraphs, and descriptive subject lines to make your message even more readable. And if you don't immediately see the formatting icons, expand the toolbar using the Formatting Options button, so those controls become visible. That's all it takes. Log in, compose, highlight the text you want to emphasize, open the formatting options if needed, and apply bold with the B button or the Ctrl+C+B shortcut. With these simple moves, your Gmail messages will be clearer, more professional, and easier to act on.